Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can bookmark or favorite a song in Apple Music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the Apple Music player. In here, tap on Library. Next, open up your playlist or tap on Songs. In here, open up a songs that you want to bookmark. So here, Better Be Home Soon, so I can tap on that to play the song. Now at the bottom here, tap on your music player to open up. At the top here, there is a bookmark button, so tap on that to bookmark the song. Once it is bookmark or favorite, you can see it is highlighted. Now if you do not see these buttons here at the top, make sure you tap on the playlist icon at the bottom. This will allow your music player to switch between the cover art or the artwork and the playlist. So you want to open up the playlist so that it can will show the favorite icon. So tap on that to favorite the song. Once it is favorite, you can easily locate it by simply going back to libraries. So in library, open up playlist and then tap on favorite songs, and here you will be able to find all of your favorite songs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.